Sibonga kakhulu kusponsor kusichasa ngemali ukuthi sidlalele ama-teams adlalile ama-teams asesigangeni ang-12 onke angena adlala acala kuyi-point system kwagcina sekuyi-knockout stage. Kunema-teams ladlala ekucaleni ehluleka preliminaries shokuthi labo bathola 800 emalangeni. Kune-Mighty Chiefs, kune-Pikili Peacemaker, kune-Sigangeni FC, kune-Mhlambanyatsi FC. Kube nalaba phuma kuma-quarter finals, kune-Buka Eagles, kune-Young Fighters, kune-Real Touch, kune-Manzanzima Celtics. Kube nema-semi-finalist, Sushwana Nationals Ntsetse Flyers. Kube nema-runners-up, finally besemkhatsini weMhlane United ne-total 11. La khona i-total 11 yawawina yaba ma-champions ethu. Shethe ma-champions ethu runners up 2,500 iya kuMhlane United bese ma-champions 4,500. Sekuba ke nema-individuals, top goal scorer, total level Seluleko Mavuso 3 goals. Player of the tournament, total level Mnisi Thokozane. Coach of the tournament, total level Sandile Beckham Makanye. Hayi iphela lapho namhla bazalwane siyabonga. Imali kuma-quarter finals 1,100. Shothi kuneBuka, kune-Young Fighters, kune-Manzanzima, kune-Real Touch. Semi-finals 1,500 Ntsetse Flyers ne-Sushwana Nationals.